After joining the strong movement launched by Manufacturing Maestros last year, Fagor Automation, India, continues its journey as a partner for Season 2. As Indian manufacturers continue to earn global trust through precision, quality, and capability, this initiative will further celebrate and strengthen the leaders, making India proud on the world manufacturing stage.
After a very successful event of Manufacturing Maestros Season 1, we are coming back with Manufacturing Maestros Season 2, and the first episode is to be planned in Bangalore. We welcome you all to Manufacturing Maestros Season 2 in Bangalore.